Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add images in your Trello card description. So let me go ahead and open up the Trello description here. So let me go ahead and open up this one, and I'm going to go ahead and click on edit. Now in order to add an image wherever you want, so let's say I want to add the image right above the title here or the description here, I can go ahead and I can select where I want to add the image, then click the image icon right next to the link. As you can see, image, and you can go ahead and you can either upload something from your computer or even put a link to a specific website. So you can go ahead and you can insert image just like that. But for the purpose here, I'm going to upload something from the computer. So let me go ahead and choose that, and let's choose, for example, this picture here of myself or this comparison here, and I'm going to upload that image. And you will see that right now the image load, and all I have to do is just simply close off, and you see what happened there. The image loads and the image actually loads into the banner as well. So you can always find those attachments here. You can see, so anywhere you are in your document, guys, you can easily go ahead and you can insert image. So let's say I want to insert at the bottom. I can click on image, I can choose from my computer, I can select this image, I can open that image, and you will see once the image loads, the image is now attached. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys, how to go ahead and insert or attach images to your Trello card description. That's it. Go ahead and click save, and that's all there is to it.